Senyorita, anong ginagawa mo?
Cleaning.
Oh, get faster.
Yes, madam.
Why you cleaning?
Cleaning because we have visitors.
Ah, okay. How many your visitor?
Visitor, your grandmother. Your amo.
Oh, get faster.
Yes.
Because see the sun very hot.
A berry. What berry?
Very, very hot.
A berry, huh?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh. Sipag ni Inday, sipag. Sipag ni Inday, oh. Yan, dito lang yan sa Saudi. Ginagawa mo, Inday, sa mainit na panahon.
Mainit. What is